Here is 520 Eton Drive in Burbank. A little carport. And this is the front entrance to the home. All right. So here's the living room. You've got the diamond windows looking out to the street. Fireplace. There's your dining room with plantation shutters. Here's the rest of your living room. Here's where the bedrooms are. The first bedroom, really good size. It's got a ceiling fan and lots of extra storage. Hi. So just to give you an idea, there's this extra storage here, plus this closet. Nice open hallway. There is bedroom number 2. Also just really nice sized. And the closet right there. This is the main bathroom. It's been really nicely updated, actually. So you got a spa tub, and there's your freestanding shower. And this is the third bedroom. Just really cute. That's the closet right there. You have all of this linen cabinet storage also right in the hallway. Here is the kitchen. There's your dining room there, just so you know where you are. Nice and open. I have to show you one of my favorite things here. Just open this up. Okay, there's all your pots and pans. It's clever. Isn't that so clever? And then you have all of this built-in cabinetry and storage. There's a little desk here. This is pantries and all kinds of storage. And then this is the half bath. It's very cute. Here is the family room, the dining area. You got a nice bar for eating. And then here is the family room with a fireplace. A little built-in nook for magazines and stuff. I'm going to take you into the garage. So it's got carpet on the floor. Here's the laundry area. Again, with tons and tons of cabinets. Lots and lots of storage in here. And hopefully I can get around here. And then this is the other side. There's just a really nice, super clean workshop. Just to give you an idea of where we're at, there is the other side of the carport. You have this darling little eating area here. There's the garage door. Here's the pool, and you've got a yard over here. Through that gate is just kind of a utility storage area. And you've got this cabana. There's like a old vintage fireplace over there. And then this is what they're calling the pool house. Little changing room, counter, there's a shower there, and a little bathroom.